Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We're gonna level up the way you do your original chicken salad with this BLT chicken salad. You're gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So back here we have our boneless chicken breast here. We have our cherry tomatoes here. I just took one and we sliced them in half. Some diced celery, diced red onions, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, some mayo, green onions, our bacon here, seasoned salt, black pepper. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our chicken. Now guys, if you already got some chicken that you already cooked, you can use that. But we're just gonna add our chicken here to our saucepan. And I'm gonna take some chicken broth. And we're gonna add enough of this chicken broth to cover the chicken. Guys, you can also use water if you want to. It's totally up to you. All right, now we're just gonna turn our cooktop on. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. Once our liquid comes to boil, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn down our heat to simmer, and we're gonna let this cook for about 6 to 10 minutes until the internal temperature is around 165 degrees. And I'm also gonna add just a little, half a teaspoon of bouillon cube, kind of season that up a little bit. I'm gonna cover that up. All right guys, so we're about 8 minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and unpause our heat, remove our lid. And all the thing you wanna do is you wanna stick a thermometer in your chicken, making sure that it's at the right temperature. So now I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna sit it on the cutting board, let it cool off, get it chopped up, then we're gonna come right back. So now we're back at our cooktop. We're gonna go ahead and get this heated up. All right, once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our bacon. And we're gonna cook this until it's brown and crispy. All right, so it looks like our bacon has that right texture, which is crispy, what we're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and turn our heat off. We're gonna remove this, sit it on a plate lined with paper towels. That way we can drain this grease off, and then we're gonna continue. All right, so now we're gonna start preparing our dressing. So we're gonna add our mayo to this bowl, along with our garlic powder, onion powder, our seasoned salt, and our black pepper. We're gonna add our lemon juice. Now we're gonna get this mixed up. All right, that's what we have. Let's continue. All right, so now we're gonna start putting everything together. We're gonna add our chicken to this big bowl. As you can see, guys, I chopped up the chicken. We're gonna add our bacon, our red onions, celery, green onions, and our tomatoes. And we're just gonna get this mixed together. All right, just like that. Now we're gonna bring our mayo mixture in. We're gonna fold that in. Now we're just gonna mix that in real good, get it all combined. And guys, if you like your salad with a lot of mayo, feel free to add some additional mayo. Some people don't like it too dry. I don't like mine real dry, but I don't like it with too much mayo either. I don't like the mayo to overpower the other ingredients. And this looks like it's perfect for what I want. I like this particular consistency right here. All right, guys, that's what we have. Man, just that simple. Let's go over to our cutting board and to our final presentation. And there you have it, guys, a BLT chicken salad. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna jump into quality control because it's time for a taste test. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, we're back in here, quality control. Let's bring our chicken sandwich to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that. Ooh, let me do a slow cross there. Ooh, man, slow. And I'm gonna eat mine with this buttery croissant. You eat it however you wanna eat it, but this is the way I'm gonna eat it. Let's take a bite of it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow. Delicious. I think it's healthy, but I don't know. Maybe with the buttery croissant, it's not. But who cares? This is delicious, and you guys definitely need to add this one to your menu. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. Oh, one more bite of this, baby. Oh, man.